I'm not going to lie, I haven't been recording much since my birthday. I've just been living life. But anyway, welcome back. So I'm literally about to pick up the boys from the activity session because they're on a 2-week break, aren't they? So it's like Easter holidays, and it's Easter on Sunday. And yeah, my birthday was really nice, guys. I mean, as I said, I spent it with the people that I care about, like special people, like in the sense where like my mom, my family, my close friend, like things like that. I was just spending it with like close people. It was quite nice. I was gonna go out, but then I didn't have nobody to watch the kids in the day. So what I wanted to do was in the day, and it was too short notice, but it was fine. But I still had a nice day with my boys. I always do, to be honest with you. So I just thought I'd give a quick check-in because literally I feel good. I'm 1 year older, and has there been a difference since? Little bit guys, a little bit. But as I said, onwards and upwards, and every season, going into the tourist season, and I'm surrounded by so many tourists at the moment as well. So as I said, I had a great birthday. So I just thought I'd give a quick little check-in because literally I know I haven't been putting out my videos, but you know, girls gotta enjoy her birthday. And when it's not just one day, I celebrate like a couple of days, maybe a week. And I do plan, you know what it is? I wanted to go bowling with the kids, but once again, Lavonté has a party on Saturday, going bowling. I'm thinking, oh, makes sense, let's just go then. But who knows? Anyway, guys, so I just thought I'd give a quick check-in because why not? None of these people concentrate on driving. I am concentrating on driving when I do my videos. It just doesn't make a difference. This is my free time where I can speak just freely while I'm driving. Like any other time, I'm just busy being a mom. Anyway, so yeah. Subscribe! I'm about to do this chunk hair, and I'm not going to record all of it, but turn around, Lavonté. Let's show them your hair. That's the before, and we'll show you the after when I finish, because I'm not going to record it all today because I'm rushing and he's got a party. And I just literally washed and blow dried Tequil's hair, so his needs to be cut. And so I'm just freshening them up, you know. And then next week I'll probably do finish Lavonté's hair in 15 minutes because we're going, let's show 15-minute haircut. Let's swivel you around. I think that is pretty damn good in 15 minutes, guys. That is really good in 15 minutes, guys, isn't it? Turn him around to kill. Woo! That's my mohawk. Okay, guys, so checking in, checking out. Let's just quickly sort Tequil's hair out, and then we're going to go to this party.
Why are you going to play it? Yeah, you got him.
Yep. No, I might not play it yet to kill. It's on the side of the boxing machine, guys. Right there. Patience. Move back.
No, get the watch, please. Get the watch. I need a watch.
That was
terrible. I want to go again. No, never go again.
focus.
No.
You can go. Slowly. Which one's your best hand?
You need to hit it, Jim.
Go faster.
No, you got 29 to beat.
157 he's got to beat.
What? Yes, I bet you. I bet you.
Okay, spit. That's not enough. Spit. A little too slow.
Oh man, Tiki. Sing happy birthday to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Gwen. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Hip, hip, hooray! Make a wish.
Yo, that you can become a professional football
Make a
player.
wish.
Make a wish, go away.
Yes. Well done.
Happy birthday, Gwen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gawain. Wish you many more, yeah? Yeah, man.
Amen.
Alright. Blessing, man. And
Well done. Well
thank
done.
all of your friends, them, man.
But your friend you have
Come out, yeah? So, you know. Yeah, man. Enough respect to
I
you all,
hope you're
yeah?
sharing that.
Take it away.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we've been out all day. We've just come back in and the boys had a good time.
Not all day. We were in there at 8.
Girl, talk properly.
We were in there at 8. So I don't know what you're talking about all day.
Most of the day anyway, because at the end of the day we're coming back in the house at 8:30 and I left out at 2 o'clock. That is all day to me. Anyway guys, I'm tired. Can you see the bags? And yeah, I need to relax. So guys, we're about to go to the movies to go watch the Minecraft movie, aren't we boys? Yes we are. For Kamara's, okay, to kill for Kamara's birthday. So guys, we're on the way to watch the Minecraft movie.
To watch the Minecraft movie for my birthday.
Yeah, his late little birthday present added on. So it's in 3D. We're going to watch it in 3D with the glasses, 4DX. Booked an early time slot, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
So we're on our way, boys. How do you feel?
Good. I feel good as well. I really wanted to watch the Minecraft movie. Me too.
So there we go. We're going to watch it anyway, and let's see how it goes today. So we'll probably record bits and bobs. We won't record once we're in there.
See you later. Alligators. See you later. See you later, alligators.